Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Jeff's Toy Box. So, yep, we've been away. We've been away for a while. It's been a busy day, or it's been a busy year for me. With work and everything. But pag may time naman, pag may time naman, kailangan reviewin naman natin yun. Actually, I have a lot of toys to review. It's just that, time is really against my schedule or against me. And given na meron pa akong isang channel for gaming naman, I'm trying my best to, have some episodes on each platform or each channels. But too much of that we're going to review right now is kind of different, or the figure that we're going to review right now is kind of different from the usual na ating review, which is mga Transformer. Well, Transformer pa rin naman siya, pero ito ay figure from Blockies. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to review the Blockies Transformer Galaxy version rollout. Yeah, so this one. So isa siyang other thing na different from the usual is this is kinda a blind box or a blind unboxing. Para siyang mystery box na hindi rin alam kung ano makukuha natin. And it's a not transformable figure. And para siyang gunpla or para siyang model kit / building blocks. Okay, so we have two. And let's see kung ano hindi natin alam kung ano makukuha natin. Let's see kung swertihin ba tayo. So just to show you the box, okay, so this is the box. So ito yung front niya. So Galaxy version 01 rollout Transformer. So ano talaga siya, license siya ng Transformers, official figure I guess. Maganda yung yung box niya, medyo nakakapaghinay yung tapang. Meron siyang gloss effect. Yan. So, ito yung mga pwede natin makuha. So, we have Optimus Prime. We have Jazz. I believe. Jazz ba to? Yeah, parang sa Jazz nga. Tapos si Ironhide, si Ratchet, si Prowl, si Blue Streak, and then yung secret figure which I believe it's Prime, si Prime din. Maybe si Nemesis Prime, not sure. Then for the Decepticon, we have Megatron, we have Skywarp, and we have Thundercracker. So one of 36, 4 of 36. Yan. Sa back, and so medyo may mga konting kasulatan na pwede nyo basahin kung gusto nyo ng oras kayo. Si Megatron naman ito sa kabilang box, you can see. And there you go. So this is the blind unboxing na kung ano makukuha natin. But I'm hoping actually na makukuha natin is any of the Seeker, kasi gusto ko talaga itong dalawa na to. It's I don't care if it's Thundercracker or it's Skywarp, still okay na sa akin. Or si Megatron or si Prime. Okay, yung dalawa na yan, yung apat na yan. Okay, so hoping. So here is hoping. Okay, so let's open our first box. There we go. Ngayon lang kaya tapon tong na to eh. Ang kahon natin na to eh. Okay. So meron pa siyang advertisement ata ng other figures nila. Anyway. So we have 2 bags. And we have instructions. Okay. So, isa instructions lang naman to eh. Kung ano man yung nyo, makuha nyo. Ayan. So, lahat ng mga available na nandyan. Ayan. Isa lang naman yung format ng katawan nila. Meron lang silang mga iba't ibang pwedeng gamitin or iba't ibang mga unique things per figure. Still, that's that. Okay. So, let's put that one out. We have 2 boxes. First box. Hindi na ko na kasi na to. So this one, I think ito yung yung mga kamay. Okay, yung stand. Okay. I think I know it kung sino to. But for you guys, I'm gonna post the video, and I'm gonna post here and then show you yung finished product na. Okay? See ya! And there we have it, our first figure, or our first Transformer figure for our blind box. From our blind box, blind box is si Prowl. Ayan. So, figure-wise, I can say that this is something talaga na, something worth to get. Because unlike other building model kits na meron ako dati, it's kind of frustrating for me because I don't really like building stuff. Especially when it comes to cutting model kits. But this one, it's enjoy yung kanyang pagbubuo, enjoy yung kanyang and everything snaps perfectly. You can hear the secure snaps na hinahanap ng bawat figure collector talaga when you are trying to build something. Parang may assurance ka talaga na secure yung ginagawa mo, tama yung ginagawa mo. So here we have Prowl. Hindi ko lang sure kung tama yung pagkakabuo ko dun sa helmet, medyo malaki. So closer look sa kanyang head sculpt. Ako I haven't, or hindi ako masyadong nung pinapaldo kasi yung Generation 1 ng Transformer, hindi ako masyadong tutok dun sa mga characters. But I can say na itong rendition din na kay Prowl, parang on mark. So this is Prowl. Ayan. Again, the plastic quality, everything is, it's really something na hindi mo siya masasabing basta-basta lang. Okay? So, and also, tagtag po ng joints. Tagtag siya ng articulation. So, naka-ball joint yung kanyang head. So, you can turn it as you please. Yung rockets niya, meron din konting articulation because of the ball joints. Yung wings niya, you can also do something about it, pero hindi ganun, limitado lang siya. Meron siyang shoulder ball joint sa kanyang shoulder. You can also move it up and down due to the joints. And meron siyang waist articulation, wala siyang abs articulation. Meron siyang elbow articulation, 90 degree. Meron siyang, pwede mong i-rotate yung fist niya. Pwede rin in and out. Kanyang elbow. Meron siyang hips articulation, although limited, still ball joint pa rin yan. So, meron kang in and out, forward and back. Meron kang knee articulation. At meron kang, pwede mo rin itong in and out. Okay, as you can see. At meron siyang ankle articulation. Ayan. So, you can come up with different poses. Okay, as a figure mo. Okay, hindi lang kay Prowl, I believe. Halos lahat yan. And, as you can see here, meron siyang kasamang accessory. So, we have Prowl's gun. We have two sets of hands. We have the open hand and we have the closed hand. So, ito, yung ibang accessories niya. Ayan. And also, meron siyang stand. Actually, meron din siya nito. Hindi ko lang alam kung para saan to or saan ito ilalagay. This is yung insignia ng Decepticon. And sa likod naman is yung Autobot. Ayan. So, pwede mo ilagay sa stand si Prowl. And pwede mo siyang i-display pwede mo siyang i-display or whatever or however you want. It's your toy. So yan. Tapos meron yung dynamic poses. Taray na tong figure na to. Grabe, parang alam mo, parang nakakaano tuloy na sorry. Ayan. Tapos meron pala siyang spare na ball joint. Siguro kapag nasira yung ball joint. Whether it's on the feet or on the head. Still, I'm saying, this is good. This is good. I think, parang tinutulak niya ako to collect everything. Anyway, that's Prowl. Let's go to our last box. Hoping na isa makukuha na sa mga gusto natin. Okay? So, let's open our last box. So 2 boxes, then we have our instruction manual. See? Oy! Ay, hindi. Medyo bright yung red. Kilala ko na kasi na to. Mukhang hindi tayo pinalad na makuha natin ng mga gusto natin. Pero still, this figure is pasado na pa. And we're back at ang ating second figure ay si Ironhide. Tama ako sa Ironhide. Ating figure ay si Ironhide. So same with the articulations of Prowl. Prowl, same lang, meron siyang different joints or dagdag din siya ng articulation. And for some reason, meron siyang effect attachment, which is ito. Hindi ko alam ba't wala si Parol na ganito. Pero anyway, for me, Ironhide is good. At kataka lang baka may tama siya sa laban. Siguro may kwento yan. So here is Ironhide. Okay. So si Ironhide at saka si Prowl, again, hindi ko masyadong napapansin sila ng G1 times nung ako ng G1 Channel 5 dati. But, isa sila sa mga medyo tumatak sa akin ng Autobot because Prowl being a patrol car and Ironhide being something na parang mala Rhinox yung dating niya. Parang palagi siyang nandun sa bawat episode makikita mo siya. And so actually tatlo sila sa Autobot si Wheeljack, si Prowl, tsaka ito si Ironhide. And by the way, meron din siyang mga accessories. Same with Prowl, meron siyang closed fist, another open fist. Okay. And meron din siyang Autobot and Decepticon insignia. Also, a spare ball joint for some reason. At meron din siyang stand. Ayan. Actually, nagamit ko na nga yung spare ball joints kanina kasi nalaglag ko yung dapat na ball joint. Hindi ko sadya. Anyway. So, yan. Diba? Again, the plastic quality is very, very nice. And yung pag-build niya is very, very enjoyable nowadays. That's why I think I'm thinking of collecting everything else. Kaya natin if papalarin, magkakaroon tayo. Gawin nating series ko. Anyway, yep. So that is Lucky's Transformers Galaxy Version 01 Rollout figures. So if you have a chance, or do I recommend it? Yes, 100%. Kung meron kayong chance to get one of these figures, go ahead. If you can collect everything, then collect it all. Okay? I'll try my best to collect everything. Hoping na makuha ko next time yung mga gusto nating figures, yung Seekers and si Megatron or si Optimus Prime, if ever. Anyway, that is it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching and hope sana nagustuhan yung episode natin na for today. Kita kita sa next episode and you have a great day. Bye!